If you've tried researching kitchen remodel costs, you've probably seen numbers that are all over the place. One website says $15,000, another says $75,000. So what's real? In this video, I'm breaking down what a kitchen remodel actually costs in 2026, based on real projects and real budgets. Understanding total cost starts with understanding cabinets, because they're one of the biggest line items in your remodel. My ultimate kitchen cabinet renovation guide walks you through smart cabinet choices across 5K to 50K budgets, so you can plan realistically and avoid surprises. Grab it using the link in the description below. So what does a kitchen really cost? I know you guys see out there that kitchen remodels go from $15,000 and shoot all the way to $75,000 now. Is that realistic? Yes and no. So it all depends on the size of your kitchen, the size of your project, where you're gonna sit in that layout. Some kitchens just wanna have quick renovations, something like you just wanna change out the doors, you just wanna paint the kitchen, you don't wanna touch the countertops. Now you're sitting at that budget between like $5,000 to $10,000, because you got to remember, you got to get a painter in there. You're going to swap out all the doors if you want to do all brand new doors. So you're starting that budget a little low, but that does work. Your kitchen could basically go from an outdated kitchen to a nice renovated kitchen without that much of a high cost. So you actually save in the long run. It's usually called like a reface or a refinish on your kitchen. So it's really up to you guys. Now let's go up to that next line item, next budget. So now you're looking at passing $15,000, getting up to about $50,000. What does that mean? Now you're talking about getting rid of the cabinets, putting in new cabinets. Now you need countertops. Now you need that labor. Now you need more paint on your walls or whatever you want to do. So when you're doing something like that, your budget's gonna have to go up, and that means getting new cabinets. So now you got to think about getting that layout. You got to get a designer to come into your house, measure everything up. You got to find yourself a contractor. Now double check on your contractors, make sure they know how to install cabinets in your house. Now you got to choose a countertop. That means you got to get new countertops. Now you got to make the decision. Are you going to go up on the wall like this here, or are you just going to do the top? That determines where your budget's going to fall. So let's say now we want to go into another level. Let's say we want to spend a lot more money, and you got that budget and you're like, I don't want to cross into the 75, but I want that kitchen. I just got to have it. So now you're talking about moving plumbing. You're talking about moving gas lines. Now you're going to relocate different things. That's gonna drive your budget up a lot. Let's say you want the upgraded cabinets, you want everything you've seen on Instagram, everything that I've showed you guys in your kitchen cabinets, and you're like, I gotta have all of that. That's going up in your budget. So now every accessory you put in there costs money. Now let's say you're gonna do the backsplash, you're gonna do all the way up, you're gonna do stone, kind of like the way it is here. That's gonna increase that budget. The more stuff you add, the bigger the layout, the bigger the kitchen. You're moving plumbing, you're moving walls, you're knocking down walls, you're making your island a lot bigger. You're talking 55 and shooting up. Now that's really up to you how much you want to go. I've seen remodels go all the way to $100,000, but they're putting in brand new floors, they're putting in brand new islands, they're putting brand new kitchens, they're getting that appliance package where, you know, you could spend close to $20,000 just on that appliance package, because now you're getting like Sub-Zero, Viking, Miele, so you're actually getting fine quality appliances, and that budget is just shooting up to over $100,000. I've seen it. So that means better stuff, higher upgrades. That's where your budget goes up. But you always could save money, and you always could keep it down to that low budget by just kind of changing little things here and there in your kitchen. If you want to save money, you just want to make it look a little different, you could do that as well. So I'm gonna tell you guys a story of one client that basically they started off on a budget of like maybe $100,000, and their budget went all the way to $140,000. What are they getting? So they're doing their kitchen, they're doing their closet, they're doing their bathrooms, they're doing their laundry room, and they're doing their pantry. The reason their budget just on cabinets went up to $140,000, but they decided to gut their whole house. Just alone in cabinets is $140,000. You're not including appliances. They decided to go all brand new appliances. They're going with Sub-Zero. They went in with the 42-inch refrigerator by 84 inches tall. They went with the 48-inch stove and the 48-inch hood. So you can imagine how this kitchen is gonna look. It's gonna look beautiful. They decided to go with natural wood. The natural wood does shoot you up in price. I think after all, they're spending close to past $500,000 because they decided to gut their whole house. They decided to change all their floors. They decided to change all the plumbing, and they decided to basically just go all the cabinets, but they're getting the top of the line cabinets. You're talking their cabinets have this laminate that looks like glass. Actually, I believe it is glass. So they went all the way and got best stuff, spending about $140,000 on their cabinets and going to the top of the line and looking amazing. Hopefully I'll be able to get in there, take some pictures. I'm fully in charge of that project, and I know she likes watching the YouTube, so hopefully she knows who I'm talking about. If this helped you set realistic expectations for your remodel budget, the next video you should watch is 1,000 versus 10,000 kitchen cabinets. What's the real difference? I'll link it right here and I'll see you there.